Raj Soman.
Now, what are we gonna learn from this YouTube masterclass? Okay, see, I have divided this section into 4 different categories. So I have defined section 1, I have defined section 2, I have defined section 3, and I have defined section 4. So there are 4 different sections that you're gonna learn. In section 1, I'll be teaching you, like, I'll be just giving you some YouTube channel overviews, like, okay, then I'll be teaching you how to earn money from YouTube, because that is the greatest motivation for so many people out there. And next, I'll be teaching you how to find the best name for your YouTube channel. See, name is your identity, so you need to have the best name for your YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you from scratch, okay, how to create a YouTube channel and implement the best practices, what contents to put, how to find trending topics, free tools to find trending topics, how to create awesome titles, description and tags, how to create YouTube thumbnail freely without Photoshop and with Photoshop, okay, how to find right keywords for your tags using keyword research tools, best time to put YouTube videos. See, in section 1 you will learn all these, okay. In section 2 you will learn copyright basics, how to find free background music for your videos, how to get free pictures and videos for your YouTube channel, what is COPPA rules, COPPA rules, how to create videos for kids, how to give voiceover to our videos, how to remove noise from our videos freely, okay, how to analyze our competitors' video, how to grow our YouTube community, basics of YouTube Creator Studio, YouTube SEO, hashtags, location, category, etc. And on section 3, okay, on section 3 you will learn how to edit videos like a professional YouTuber. And in section 3 I'm gonna focus on this topic, and there will be a series of videos regarding these topics, okay. So I will be teaching you how to edit your videos like a professional. I'll be teaching you how to add effects, okay, like I'll be teaching you how to put transitions, how to put the lower thirds, how to add green screen videos, and in an advanced level I'll be teaching you how to do whiteboard animations, how to do explainer videos with that animations and all. So I will be teaching you that kind of videos. And on the fourth section, this is very, very, very important, okay, how to earn money in YouTube in different ways, okay, in different ways, not through monetization alone, not through that with Google AdSense alone. I will teach you how to earn money in YouTube in different ways, okay. And also there is a bonus section for you. Guess what? I will teach you the number 1 top secret to earn money on YouTube without making videos. Yes, you heard me right, without making videos. I'll be teaching you guys, okay. So please stay tuned, expect videos on alternate days, don't miss it out, implement it, practice it from day 1, okay. If you're watching a video, implement it, practice it, only then you will see the results. Definitely you're going to see the results, okay. Thank you so much, and Kalidas signing off. Thank you.